Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a language translator. So let us get straight into it. So first we need to add the design. So let's add the design. First we need to add the add-on for this. Now we are gonna bring a text box so we can search what the word like hello and something. So now you can see we're done with like the design of the app. So like this is where you search and this is you click translate and this is where you like get the result. So now it's time for us to add the code. So let us add it. Here we need to put the language we need to translate it to. In this case, we are going to translate it to French. So it's FR. Or you can choose any language. So now you can see we're done with all of the code. Now it's time to test our app. So let's test it out. So now you can see we're viewing our translator app, and now if I type any word like hello, bonjour, it says. It's saying in capital because I wrote it in capital. If I just write it in non-capital, it will say, in like low words. And if I say hi, translate, if it will say salute. And it will speak everything in French, or you can change it in the code, whichever language you want. And yeah, that's it for this like lesson about how to create this translator app. And if you want to learn more about how to create these amazing apps, games, 3D models, and other stuff, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes. Thank you, and bye bye.